If I blank known, I would have acted differently. Answer option B had. If I had known, I would have acted differently. Hardly blank the meeting started when she arrived. Answer option B had. Hardly had the meeting started when she arrived. By the time we arrived, the movie blank. Answer option C had started. By the time we arrived, the movie had started. You blank tell me if it's confidential. Answer option A need not. You need not tell me if it's confidential. It is time you blank your decision. Answer option B made. It is time you made your decision. No sooner blank they left than it started raining. Answer option C had. No sooner had they left than it started raining. I would rather you blank tomorrow. Answer option D came. I would rather you came tomorrow. She acted blank she knew everything. Answer option D as though. She acted as though she knew everything. We cannot deny blank important he is. Answer option B how. We cannot deny how important he is. Little blank the consequences of his actions. Answer option C does he realize. Little does he realize the consequence of his actions. I suggest she blank her lawyer immediately. Answer option B contact. I suggest she contact her lawyer immediately.